Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Rocket Money transaction tracking. Rocket Money is a personal finance management tool that helps you track your spending and stay on top of your finances. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to get started with Rocket Money transaction tracking. First, you need to sign up for a Rocket Money account and link your bank accounts and credit cards. This will allow Rocket Money to access your transaction data and provide you with a comprehensive view of your spending. Once your accounts are linked, you can start tracking your transactions. The Rocket Money dashboard provides a clear overview of your income and expenses. You can see a list of all your transactions, including the date, amount, and category. You can also filter your transactions by date, category, or merchant to get a more detailed view of your spending. One of the key features of Rocket Money is its ability to automatically categorize your transactions. This means that you don't have to manually assign a category to each transaction. Rocket Money uses machine learning algorithms to identify the type of transaction and assign it to a category such as food, entertainment, or transportation. You can also set budgets for different categories of spending. This will help you stay within your means and avoid overspending. Rocket Money will send you alerts when you go over budget so you can take corrective action. In addition to tracking your transactions, Rocket Money also provides you with personalized financial insights. These insights are based on your spending habits and provide you with recommendations on how to save money and improve your financial health. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is essential to regularly review your transactions and update your budgets as needed. You should also take advantage of the financial insights and recommendations provided by Rocket Money. In conclusion, using Rocket Money transaction tracking is a simple and effective way to take control of your finances. By following these steps, you can get a clear view of your spending and make informed decisions about your money. Remember to regularly review your transactions and update your budgets to get the most out of Rocket Money.